Alright, well, this is a 35 micron water filter I use for my whole house. And then this is a 5 micron filter I use for my hot water only, pretty much. And I still distill my water. And I'll show you why. A human hair is approximately 70 microns, give or take 20 microns, depending on the thickness of a given individual's hair. This report is supposedly from 2021. As we scroll down, you'll see that it's actually from 2014 in some places. It shows the contaminants in the water, and I don't really know too much about this stuff, but you got fluoride. Everybody knows about that at 0.58 parts per million. I don't even know what that means, but it's in there. Nitrate, barium, you got all these other chemicals, acids, chlorine, lead. That's a big one. You don't want that, but we got it. Copper, radium. I mean, that doesn't sound too good. And we got that. I don't even know if the water distiller gets rid of that. Sodium, magnesium. Look at this radium. Let's see if I can find it again. 2014. Now what I was doing before I got the water distiller is I would fill this pot up with water, would take this bowl, put it on the inside, and float it in the water, put the lid on upside down, and bring it almost to a boil. And as the steam would rise, it would condense on the underside of the bowl and drip down. But I think what was happening is this handle was acting as a what's the word? Catalyst, and the water that collected in the bowl was still cloudy and oily on the surface. So even if I boiled this thing out and just dumped all the oily water and tried it again, no matter what I did, the water would be cloudy and oily. So that didn't work. So now the water's done. You get about 4 liters, takes about 4 hours. It's probably a little shy of 4 liters, to be honest. And when I take the top off, I use the water to make coffee, tea. Not a big fan of coffee, but put it in my iron to iron clothes, whatever. But this is the amazing part right here. That's what's left over after the distillation process. I've probably distilled way more than 4 liters, but I've only had this thing for maybe a few weeks, and it's just going to get worse and worse, I imagine. And I never really drank too much water, probably for this reason. I'd buy bottled water or whatever. That's what's coming out of, I don't know, if I had to guess, maybe 40 liters of water. Even after the first distillation, you could see the stuff at the bottom, but it just keeps adding up until you want to clean it out, I guess. So that's why I got a water distiller, and I'm very happy I did. Best purchase I ever made.